This look I like to call, it's actually 90 degrees, but I haven't washed my hair in 3 days and I'm out of dry shampoo. I also promise that after I make this, I'm gonna go and buy a new beanie because I know I've been wearing this one a little bit too much. I know, I have a problem. Enough rambling, I am super excited about today's video because we're gonna be unboxing the biggest BOXYCHARM box to ever exist. And this is gonna be like first impressions. I'm gonna swatch everything. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. And I haven't seen anything. I don't know what's inside the box, so it's gonna be a surprise. We're both gonna be surprised. So let me just give you a frame of reference. This is the size of like a normal BOXYCHARM box, right? You guys have seen it. I think it's like $21. This is the biggest BOXYCHARM box to ever exist. So we have the big box and the little box. I mean, there's a difference. The small box I did get myself. BOXYCHARM did send over their limited edition big box, mostly because you don't have to be a subscriber to get it. So normally it's a subscription service. You sign up, you get a box every month. This is just like a one-off. It's limited edition. You can only get it from, I believe, November 20th to November 26th. So not even a full week. It is called the Best of Boxy box. This is the $99 one, so I think it has 18 products and valued at around $500. There's also two other versions of the Best of Boxy box. $79, you get 8 products valued at $250. Wow, I'm being like very aggressive with the knife. Sorry, I'm like preparing to open. And the last box is $59. You get 7 products and it's valued around $200. So there's different options. Let's see. There's layers. So are there a lot of layers? There's a lot of layers. Okay, I'm excited. In the first layer, we have the Cover FX primer. I actually have this, the blurring primer. I really like this. Do you see the holographic that's happening? Look at that. It's my own Instagram filter. All right, next we have this blinding Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter. That looks really pretty. For holographic highlighters, I tend to like not wear them every day, but I think they look really cute. Say the pink, you do it on your nose, kind of like a blush highlighter combo, so you get that doll-like flush. I really like that look, or I tend to just like put them as toppers on my eyeshadow. Next, we have the Cargo Cosmetic Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, it's very like dark and vampy for like a neutral. Like it's not the classic, it's like true neutrals. It's not like a natural warm toned palette that I'm used to. Last thing in that layer is this brush from Aesthetica. It is soft. I think it would be good to like sweep on big portions of warmth, not so much contour, but just like. All right, let's do the next layer together. Ooh, okay. Pretty vulgar. We have the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, kind of like Renaissance feel vibes. It's neutrals, but here we get like shimmer and some warm tones from Crown Pro. Looks like, ooh, okay, this palette's really pretty. This is like normally what I would go for. It's kind of like the shades I'm wearing. Warm tone browns with red and like shimmery maroons. Like that's kind of like my home. Then we have Tarte. We have the Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in Stunner. Stunner is actually the powder highlight I have on now. I have it on my shoulders and my cheeks, tip of my nose. But I'm happy because the powder Stunner from Tarte has been my go-to highlighter for like the past 2 weeks. Then we have Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in Instaglam. They look like this. They're really pretty. I'm probably gonna use this as a stocking stuffer for someone in my family because I have been doing eyelash extensions. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it. If you guys saw what happened to my eye and I had that like crazy reaction, I'm gonna try one more time. And then if not, I'll go back to falsies. All right guys, I think we've made it to the last layer. First, in the bottom layer, we have this 3-piece eye brush set. Why did my mind just go blank? Oh my gosh, there's a lot. Okay, then we have, I'm excited, the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. This is a face palette. So you have like Halo and Enhance to add some brightness to the face. You can clean up fallout with that. And then you get 4 bronzers, 2 with shimmer, and then 2 mattes. Then we have a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Sanctuary. This actually seems like a dark version of what I have on now. Ooh, it's very It's a lot darker than I thought. It's very vampy. All right, now we have a couple of products I haven't heard about before. We have English Laundry number 7. Is this a perfume? Oh yeah, it's a rollerball. Don't open this upside down. It's not a rollerball. It's all over me. It smells like clean laundry. Just a lot of clean laundry right now. All right, next, I haven't heard of this. It's a Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Base Primer in Nude. It's very like thick, like kind of like a full coverage eyeshadow base. I'm probably like an NC 25 and I would say it would be perfect for like an NC 30. And then we have, I think it's said like a Desi liquid lipstick in, it doesn't have a shade name. Here's the color. It's like a good everyday, kind of like a rose-based nude. It's a pretty color. It's like very full coverage. It looks so glossy. Like you can see it catching in the light. Like when you see the Kat Von D swatch, you see how it's not catching, it's matte. This is not a matte liquid lipstick. Next, we have the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Luna. Wow, that's actually like really dope. For a festival, this is very mermaid. It's like blue lavender reflex. We also got in the box the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I have this one. It is really nice. I personally only use waterproof mascara for my top lashes, so I only use this for my bottoms. Also from Desi, we have Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Cuticle Oil. I'm just gonna put my cuticles now. I haven't had a manicure in 2 months probably. And the very last thing in the box we have from Girl Lactic, a Skin Glow Moonlight. It's a like, oh, it's cream. It's like a champagne-y highlight. And then we have a peachy cream blush on the side. I just want to say thank you so much to BOXYCHARM for sending me the box early, letting me unbox it for you guys. If you want to try out the best of BOXYCHARM box yourself, that's a lot of B words, I will have a link for you in the video description. And again, you don't have to be a subscriber. You don't have to do the subscription thing. No matter who you are, you get 3 to 5 day shipping. And that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed unboxing with me, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!